How can you make a small bathroom feel bigger? You don't always need more square footage, you just need to use the space wisely. Start with lighter colors. White, beige, and other light tones can make a bathroom feel brighter and more open. Consider a floating vanity to open up more visible floor space, and use a large mirror to reflect light throughout the room. A frameless glass shower is another great option because it removes visual barriers and makes the bathroom feel more spacious. Large format tiles can also help by reducing the number of grout lines and creating a cleaner, more seamless look. And don't forget about storage. Built-in shower niches, recessed cabinets, and smart organizers can reduce clutter without taking up valuable space. With the right layout and design choices, even a small bathroom can feel comfortable, modern, and spacious. At ECM Carpentry, we help homeowners make the most of their space with bathroom renovations designed around their needs. Proudly serving Delaware, New Jersey, Southeast Pennsylvania, and Maryland,